Hey, what's up guys, it's Lashik and a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this Logitech camera, which is webcam, and the model is C615. It's a portable HD webcam as it's mentioned on the top. Now let's do a quick box overview before unboxing the whole thing. So it is only 1080p and maximum at 30 frames per second, and I will link it down in the description so that you can get one for yourself. It says it has autofocus, that's included, and for nothing much on this side. It's just the same thing that it says again and again. It's just it has the rotatable head so the camera can swivel around, and on this side it can do a full fluid widescreen autofocus video call. So it they keep on repeating the autofocus. It has HD light correction, and it has a built-in noise cancelling mic. So they have comparisons of the other models that they sell, which I'm not going to cover since this is the model that we are looking at on this video. So it works with Skype, Hangouts, and FaceTime for Mac. So that's it for the box overview. The box overview was pretty simple. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is how the box looks. Let's when we open it, we have the camera right in front, and we pull the camera out. That's simple presentation, but you get the product in front. There's nothing protecting the camera itself. It's just right in there, and that's it. I just have to pull the box out. I don't think there's much inside. It's over packaging, I would say, because all this was not required. Nothing else inside. Then we have a user manual on how to use it, and we also have a warranty type of thing. No, it's just safety information that's also included, and that's the box, nothing else inside. This was way too much packaging for such a small product. They could have done it better, but it's fine. Let's just go ahead and get our hands on the camera itself. There's nothing else that is included. Since it's a webcam, it comes with a wire that itself, and that's it. This is how the camera looks. Let's go ahead and peel everything off, and it looks pretty nice for the price point. And this is how you attach it to your computer. This is the 360 swivel that they were talking about earlier on the box, and we peeled everything out, and it's pretty simple packaging, and the specs of the thing is not really great. Of course, we have to consider the cheap price point that this is selling at. So yep, the cable is not braided, but it is pretty long, and since it's Logitech, I think it will be reliable. It also says 1080p on the camera. As you can see, compared to my hand, the lens itself is small, but the sensor is even smaller. So yep, that's for you to have a perspective. And this is to attach on a tripod, which was not included in the box, but if you have your own tripod, you can put this on a tripod. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing.